Here's a shamrock or clover. I'm making this video at a time when it's getting close to St. Patrick's Day. That is important in Ireland, and the shamrock is a symbol. I used to live in Ireland for many years. So we are making this little applique that you can attach to many things, or you could also crochet a much longer stem to make a bookmark. We first make the 3 leaves and then the stem. You need a little bit of green yarn. I'm using wool here and a crochet hook that goes with the weight of your yarn. My hook is 3.5 millimeter. We start by chaining 8, slip knot and chain 8. That's 8, and then we make the loop that we need for the first leaf. Count the 6th stitch from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a slip stitch there. And then turn it so that you get to the start of that there ring. Chain 1, and then we'll make a leaf into that there ring. A single crochet, and I'm using American crochet terms. So a single crochet is a double crochet in British terms. Then half double crochet into the same ring. All the stitches go into that there same ring. Half double crochet straight through. Then 3 double crochets into it. And you need to tighten that to fit everything there. Then half double crochet again for the top part of it, and then 2 single crochets because there's this sort of a dent in the clover leaf. 2 single crochets, and then we do the other side opposite. Half double crochet, tighten again, 3 double crochets, and to finish off, half double crochet and a single crochet. So that's the first leaf done. Then insert the hook into the next chain you have here and make a slip stitch. And now we chain 6 for the next loop. Chain 6, 5 and 6, and a slip stitch into the start of where we started that there loop, and then again turn to get to the other side. And now we will make just the same leaf here. I'll show this here still a second time. Chain 1, single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 3 double crochets, half double crochet, tighten them again, then 2 single crochets, and you need to make those 2 single crochets quite tight so it doesn't sort of pull them too high. Half double crochet, 3 double crochets, 2, 3, then half double crochet to taper it in, and a single crochet to finish off. So now we have 2, and then get that there end of that starting chain and slip stitch into the next stitch there. And then again exactly the same. So you chain 6 and close that into a loop with a slip stitch and make another leaf. Here we are with 3, and then we just need the stem to finish off. And we will make it in such a way that it's nicely shaped, so it's thicker at the end here. First make a slip stitch here in the middle of these, and then chain 10, chain 10, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a slip stitch into the second stitch from the hook. Not that one, but that. That's just to create the form. And then chain 3. And a double crochet into that same stitch where we made the slip stitch. In through all of that there. Then one more double crochet into the next chain stitch, and then 2 half double crochets, so half double crochet into the next one and the next one, and then a single crochet into each of the rest. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. It's a bit hard to get it at the end there. And then you can cut the yarn. I cut it and pull it through. And when you are finishing off the yarn, make a couple of tight stitches around the middle here. Here. And then finish it off. And here it is. Happy St. Patrick's Day!